Tuesday, start the week. Time to learn and time to speak. Books to read and games to play. Let's make Monday a fun-filled day. Tuesday, bright and new. Time for friends and things to do. Paint and draw, let colors shine. Tuesday's art makes everything fine. Wednesday, middle of the week. Let's explore and take a peek. Nature walks and songs to sing. Wednesday, joy is a special thing. Thursday, almost there. Let's show kindness, love and care. Help a friend or plant a tree. Thursday's for the world to see. Friday, end of school. Time for fun, it's the rule. Dance around and celebrate. Friday nights are always great. Saturday, play all day. Outside fun and games we'll play. Family time and tasty treats. Saturday joy just can't be beat. Sunday, rest and cheer. A day for love and those we hold dear. Read a story, dream away. Sunday ends the week today. 7 days in every week. Each one special, each unique. Learn, explore, and always say, I'll make the most of every day.